Man continues to film Andover tornado right up until it swallows his yard.
Whoa.
Ooh, nothing like a good tornado video.
Yeah, this happened a couple days ago, actually.
Man. Oh. You
Whoa.
can't even imagine.
What's the flashing?
Can't even imagine. Explosions?
It's
Lightning?
not is it lightning?
It did look like fire almost.
That looks like CG.
Looks
You're right, it does.
incredible.
Well, it's kind of beautiful.
Mo,
I mean,
Things
it's
are
not
exploding.
Good,
Oh, there's his fence. And then he runs away.
wow.
And then we have another clip here.
same. Is this same tornado?
Same
Yes.
NATO.
This really
happens
feels like
in,
CNN News now.
Kansas.
Well, you're watching CNN Plus, so
But you can kind of see all like
power, just power.
yeah, the forces. All the trees.
The forces of nature.
Yeah.
It's so crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, listen. Especially over there in Kansas,
Mm-hmm.
that's where it goes down.
Whoa.
We got the flat land.
just the debris in the air circulating.
You know, the flat land is safe like 99% of the time.
Right. But then you got that 1%.
Which is the tornado.
Mm-hmm.
He's a brave soul.
This is
guy.
an incredible video clip that
Yeah.
he captured. Look at that. Look at this.
So
There goes the
risky.
fence.
Oh, man, you got to get inside.
And get low.
Yeah.
Oh, those are power lines, probably. Though the
Oh
explosions.
yeah, that one just went down.
They're power lines. Bang. Just power lines just fall. You know how long you can be without power? You know how many repairs have to come after this?
All the fences just go at the same time.
I really wonder, though, what are the explosions that are happening inside the tornado? Do you think that's also power lines?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it seemed to be crossing over power lines, the direction it was coming. So maybe.